Hello, this is Seth from 62 Sales, and what I want to talk to you about today is the importance of keeping your roof properly sealed. It's one of the best ways to protect your investment because the number one culprit of unnecessary expenses and problems with campers are leaky roofs. And ultimately it starts with not inspecting your roof every year, keeping it clean, and keeping it sealed. Now this unit came in and the customer stated that it had a small soft spot in the roof. Now what he was referring to was this soft spot right here where you can see the wood is completely rotted. I mean, just collapsing. But what he didn't realize is the bigger problem at hand, and obviously with the rubber roof rolled down over the unit, he had no idea the extent of the water damage. And we don't even have all the rubber off the roof yet. And it actually extends over to the other side of the unit as well. So again, it's very inexpensive to keep your roof sealed with lap sealant and just using soap and water to keep it clean. But it's very expensive when it comes to repairs such as this. And this roof, we're going to ultimately end up ripping off multiple sheets of sheeting and then replacing all the rubber on the roof. So we'll take some pictures along the way that we can share with you. But if you are having any water intrusion issues, you notice discoloration in your ceiling paneling, maybe you notice a soft spot on your roof when you're walking around, and typically I would encourage you to look near the edges or the corners. Give us a call here at 62 Sales. We want to take care of that sooner than later, obviously, because you can see how it spreads. This actually has mold, which can be a health concern as well. There's a lot of mold. And ultimately, if this went on, we're going to have what's called delamination in the siding on the camper, on the fiberglass siding on the camper. So again, for maintenance needs, for parts, accessories, and service, give us a call here at 62 Sales. It's 812-720-3810. You can also text us as well or visit us online at 62sales.com.